See the next one. Solve the equation for x, y, z and t. See what you are observing, again they are the small letters. That means they are the elements or functions. For that again what you are writing? We are writing the LHS part and RHS part as it is. See after writing that, here each element is multiplied with 2. Plus next one, each element is multiplied with 3. Is equal to, in the next one each element is again multiplied with 3. Outside we have a 3. After multiplication what we will do? On the left side we have to add the corresponding elements. 2x plus 3. Next one is 2z minus 3. Next 2y plus 0. 2t plus 6. RHS as it is. Yes. What is the next step? In the next one we are equating the corresponding elements, because middle we have a equal sign. See what is first element? 2x plus 3. On right side 9 equal to 9. Take 3 on that side. So what it is? 2x is equal to 6. X will be 3. Coming to the next one. See the next one, 2z minus 3. Here what? 15. So what is 2z then? Taking minus 3 it becomes plus 3. It is 15 plus 3. 2z will be 18. What is z then? Z is 9. Yes, I think you are following. So the next one, what is the next one? 2y plus 0 is what? 2y. Is equal to what? 12. What is y then? Y is 6. Coming for the next one. 2t plus 6 is equal to 18. Take plus 6 on that side. 2t is equal to 12. What is t? T is 6. See how like this we are finding the values of x, y, z and t. Coming to the next example related with the same category. So here again the question is find the values of x and y. See that x and y, what you are observing, they are the elements of the matrix. So when you are solving, rewrite the equation as it is. After rewriting, here they are scalar multiplication. The first matrix elements are multiplied with what? They multiplied with x. So what it is then? 2x and this will be 3x. Here it is multiplied with y. Outside we have y. And the next as it is. Then what you are doing in the next one? In the next step, it is addition. Just we are adding the corresponding elements. That is 2x plus into minus is minus. Next 3x plus y. Here right side keep as it is. Now we have to equate the corresponding elements. See what is first element? 2x minus y is equal to 10. Then next one is what? 3x plus y is equal to 5. Here we have two equations, two variables. Then students, how you are solving? Let them call is an equation 1 and equation 2. They are in the form of what? Simultaneous equations. By solving these two equations, so tell me, is it necessary to change the sign? No. Why? Because this is minus y, this is plus y. They get cancels. 2x plus 3x is 5x. Here 10 plus 5, 15. Then what is x? X will be 3. After that, consider any one of these equations. It is not necessary to write first. You can write second also. And after writing the first one, substitute x value. X is 3. So it is 6. I am taking 10 on this side. Minus 10 is equal to taking minus y on that side. When you are taking minus y, it becomes plus y. So it is minus 4. Then tell me what is y value? Y is minus 4. In the next example, so already we solved these type of similar examples. So that's why I gave this as an assignment for the students. And see the students, the next is very important. In our theory paper, they can ask these type of questions for 5 marks in part D. So this is very important. Note down that. Here 3 matrices are given for you, and the question is, first we have to find A plus B, B minus C. After calculating that, we have to verify this condition. So then in the first step, what you are doing? We are doing A plus B. That means we are adding the 2 matrices. That is 1, 2, minus 3. So now you are familiar with addition. So shall we write the values directly? Add the corresponding elements. See, 1 plus 3, 4. 2 plus into minus is minus. 2 minus 1 is 1. Minus 3 plus 2, minus 1. 5 plus 4, 9. 0 plus 2. 2 plus 5. Then what is the next one? 1 plus 2. Minus 1 plus 0. 1 plus 3. So what is this? This is nothing but A plus B. Then in the next step, what you are writing? We are going for B minus C. So here students, what you are doing? We are writing subtraction values. Just apply for corresponding values. 3 minus 4, minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 is minus 2. 2 minus 2, 0. 4 minus 0. 2 minus 3. 5 minus 2. 2 minus 1. 0 minus into minus becomes what? Plus. 3 minus 3, 0. So this is what? B minus C. Then what we did? We calculated A plus B and B minus C. Then calculate these LHS and RHS separately. So what is LHS then? A plus B minus C. Write on that. Here A is given and B minus C we calculated. See, after writing A plus B minus C, that is matrix A and matrix B minus C. Here middle what we have? We have plus. That means what you are doing? We are adding the corresponding elements. So add that. 1 plus into minus is minus. That means what? 1 minus 1. What is 1 minus 1? 0. Next 2 plus into minus is minus. 2 minus 2 again it is 0. Minus 3 plus 0, that is minus 3. Then 5 plus 4, 9. 0 plus into minus is minus, that is what is that value? 0 minus 1, that is minus 1. 2 plus 3, 5. 1 plus 1, 2. Minus 1 plus 2, that is 1. 1 plus 0, that is 1. Then this is what? This is nothing but A plus B minus C. Let us call this as equation 1. See, after finding equation 1, what you are calculating? We are calculating A plus B minus C. Already we calculated A plus B value and C is given. So write down that values. After writing that values, just go for a corresponding subtraction. Corresponding value subtraction. That is 4 minus 4, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Minus 1 minus 2. Minus 3, 9 minus 0, 2 minus 3, 7 minus 2, 3 minus 1, minus 1, minus into minus plus, minus 1 plus 2, 1, 4 minus 3, that is 1. Call it as equation 2. See that equation 1 and 2, this is equation 1. And this is equation 2. Compare the values. Are they equal or what? That means what you can write? So we can write like this. From 1 and 2, A plus B minus C is equal to A plus B minus C. See, it is very simple 5-mark question. Next example, it contains subtraction as well as scalar multiplication. So in the solution, write down 3A minus 5B. After that, keep 3 and 5 as it is. Write down the matrices A and B. It is given in the question. After substituting matrices A and B, first what you are applying? No, first we are not applying the subtraction. We are going for matrix multiplication. Each number of this matrix is multiplied with what? It is multiplied with number 3. See, 3 into 2 by 3 is what? How you are writing? 3 into 2 by 3. See, is it 3 get cancels or what? What is remaining? 2. So like that. 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 4, 7. There is no fraction. So directly multiply. That is 6 and this is 2. Like that. Here it is multiplied with 5. If it is a fraction with base 5, they get cancels. 2, 3, 5. Why 5? 1 into 5. Then 1, 2, 4. Again with third row. 7, 6, 2. Then in the next step what you are doing? In the next step we are going for, it is a subtraction. Corresponding subtraction. See here. 2 minus 2, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. Like that, the third row, there also you are getting all elements 0. That is 0. And you know that generally the 0 matrix is denoted like this. Here the next question is just simplify. Here the question is given two matrix and outside we have cos theta and sin theta. In the first one, what you are doing? In the first one, each element is multiplied with cos theta. So how you are writing? Cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta. And what about the next element? This is cos theta into sin theta. Remember, you are doing a multiplication. Then here multiply these two. Minus is there. It is minus cos theta into sin theta. What will be the next element? Cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta. Plus. Now multiply each element of second matrix by what? By sin theta. Sin theta into sin theta is sin square theta. What is the next element? The next element is minus cos theta into sin theta. Coming to the second row, here it is cos theta into sin theta. And what about the next? Sin theta into sin is sin square theta. In the next step, we have to add the corresponding elements. See the corresponding elements, cos square theta plus sin square theta. The next one is cos theta into sin theta, plus into minus is minus. That is minus cos theta into sin theta. Coming to the second row, the first number element is minus cos theta into sin theta. This is plus cos theta into sin theta. Coming to the next term, that is cos square theta plus sin square theta. And all the students are familiar with basic identities. What is cos square theta plus sin square theta? That is 1. And here the term get cancels 0. Here also they get cancels because one is negative and one is positive. And the next one is cos square theta plus sin square theta. So this is a simplified answer of given problem.